Hi there, this is Ashlie Alvey with Chubby Cheeks Body Art in Savannah, Georgia. Here today with a tutorial courtesy of FacePaintcom. We are going to be showing you how to paint this
white tiger.
If you'd like to see how it's done, keep watching. Okay, to begin, we are going to start with a 5/8 inch angle brush, loading it with the light blue and the white from the Global Fun Stroke Iceland. And we're just going to shape out the head of our tiger here, making sure we keep the light blue on the outside at all times. So just twist that brush to make sure we get it on the outside. I'm going to go down her nose, also the blue on the outside here. Great. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and go over the eyes. I keep the blue up with the first swipe, and then I flip it over and have it down with the second. This one takes 3 swipes for me because I'm right-handed. So, there we go. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put in some tufts of hair with the same brush. And this is more like a place marker on this swipe. I don't want the design to go over her entire face, so keeping it at her cheeks there. So with a sponge and Paradise White, I am going to go ahead and fill in all of that area on the top of the head, and the ears, the cheeks, and the muzzle. Wherever there's skin showing, we want that to be white for our white tiger. But don't cover up all the blue that we've put down. I really like the blue. It adds a lot of fun element to the tiger. So keep that in there. Don't cover up the work we've already done. Great. Okay, I'm just going to reload that same brush that we had, and I'm going to do the muzzle lines here, keeping that blue on the outside still, up from the lips. And then I am going to go back over those tufts of hair that we put in to fill in any gaps and also make that color just a little bit bolder. Number 6, Flora and Diamond FX Black. And I'm going to really use this brush as like a stamp. It makes it really quick and easy. Just follow that first line that we did. This is a really organic look. I really like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. So with a Filbert brush and Cameleon Bollywood Pink, I'm going to go ahead and paint in her nose. If you're painting on a little fella, then you might want to just do black on this, and that's totally fine. Okay, a number 4 round, and we're just going to go around the entire design here with our line black. I'm using Diamond FX. So start at the top and work your way down. Don't forget the little half circles inside the ears. And I am going to line her eyes here. I didn't think she was going to let me line over her lid there, but she does let me later on. So do this at the same time if you know for sure you can get away with it. Makes it really quick and easy if you do it all at the same time. She decides later that she will let me, so I do it a little later on. Okay, we're going to line the muzzle here, come up, and I like to put in one little tiger stripe extending from the top of that line. Okay, you'll be able to see it a little better on this side here. So up from the lip, and then thick to thin for the tiger stripe. And then I'm just going to outline these little tufts of hair. They're very similar to how you might do a butterfly wing, but I like the way they look, so I put them on my tiger. Okay, split the lip and line the lip there. And now I'm going to go ahead and switch back to that pink and the Filbert. Use a Q-tip on the job. This is my kid and she doesn't mind, so I'm just going to use the brush that I already had pink. Okay, and go ahead and line that lip too. This is a really bold, fun, stylized design. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and line the eye. She said I could, so look how happy I am. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to go ahead and add some dots for texture all around, and then also the whisker dots leading down to the lip line there. A few little places of hair in the ears, and I am going to outline her nose. This is completely optional. You do not need to do this on a busy job. And then with a Diamond FX White or a line white that you prefer, and a number 4, I'm going to go around the entire design with a fun bold white outline. I love the way this looks. Also optional if you don't have time. Okay, couple dots on the nose and some highlights, and we are finished. If you like this tutorial, comment and subscribe, and be looking for some more tutorials on FacePaint.com.